Okay, guys, this looks a lot better than the old Paragon system, but this is stupid. The activation thing. Um, I don't like the idea that I unlock skills and then they don't do anything until I put them in the activation bar. I think that's dumb. I think it's dumb and not fun. Yeah. Uh, like I can just do this. So that's what I got is this. I don't like this at all. I don't like the fact that you have to choose. I think it'd be better with a deep pool and many points. Cause like I'm not using any of this. This stuff is just off to me because it's just like this is like I guess it's supposed to be your character customization for how your character works. And there's limits so you have to be unique. But to me it just looks like lame-o. It's like, why even use this system if I can't have it all? I'm serious. Why use this system if I can't have it all on at once? Why?